What's going on, guys? So I got my 2003 Ford Expedition, and today I changed my oil and filter and my Fram XG2 Ultra Synthetic lost its O-ring. I wasn't paying attention and put my Mobile 1 oil filter on and went to start it, and ta-da! I started squirting. So I grabbed some fine natural broom absorbent, and I'm gonna pull off this oil filter. Let's see how much oil I lose when I do just the filter. And hopefully I didn't damage those threads. Oh boy, that sucked to have to change out the housing. So, all over the internet, I was asking how much oil am I gonna lose by just changing the filter. And well, no one wants to tell me how much. So, I thought I'd do a quick little video because some of you guys might be curious as well. So, gotta find my oil filter wrench, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys. So here we are. I found my oil filter wrench, my 3/8 socket, 6-inch and 12-inch extension, and I'm gonna get under there and I'm gonna hit this bad boy. See how much oil comes out. There is no oil in that container, so bear with me. Let's see how much oil. I hope that wasn't a bad crack. Well, ladies and gentlemen, considering I lost a quart or two, it looks to be like I didn't cross thread. And I don't see an O-ring up there. Well, Gotta do some further inspection before hopefully I didn't crack the housing. So upon further inspection, I don't really see any reason why I should have been squirting oil, so I probably just over tightened it with this new oil filter winch that I got. It takes a 3/8 drive, so I hooked up my 3/8 drive and, well, I didn't hand tighten it. I just went with that bad boy, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna tighten that sucker back up, hand tighten this time, and I'm gonna see if this new one leaks. If so, dun dun dun, the housing is gonna be my issue. Alright, so I got my filter in without the filter wrench, and hand tighten this. First, I like to go backwards a little bit and make sure the threads are on there and I'm not cross-threading anything. And she's nice and tight. Bam. I got so much oil up there. It's the bottom of the radiator replaced. Got oil all over that. Oil all over the transmission. Oil all over everything. This dryer shaft. I got it all up there. Got some on my cold air intake hose. Went close to the battery. Wasn't a lot. I didn't keep it on long, but I got some oil up here. YouTube bloopers. How not to over tighten your oil filter. Poor baby. Well, I think we'll go ahead and fire her up. Make she don't leak. Hopefully. Let's fire her up. So, don't over tighten, and always check if your old oil filter comes off with the O-ring. If you stack your O-rings, it will leak. If you over tighten it, you can crack the housing, pinch the gasket, it will leak. However, if you do any of those and you do start leaking, you don't have to drain the oil first. Just to pull off that filter again, you can go ahead and just take off that filter. Alright. I don't know if it was the gasket or the over tightening, but she's nice and pretty.